In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Odoo. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a personalized touch to your Odoo interface. First, you'll need to log in as an administrator. This step is crucial because only users with administrative privileges can customize certain settings in Odoo, including company logos. Make sure you have your admin credentials handy and are logged into the system before we proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the Settings menu. You can find this by looking for the gear icon or simply clicking where it says Settings. Now, there are two main pathways to reach the section where you can upload your logo. If you're operating in developer mode, you might notice the Odoo logo in the top left corner of the dashboard. Hover over that, and an option to edit will appear. Click on it, and it will directly lead you to where you need to be. Alternatively, you can go through Settings and then choose Companies from the list. This section is dedicated to all sorts of company settings, including branding options like the logo. After you arrive at the company settings, you'll see an option to upload a file. It's a straightforward dialog box that allows you to select your logo file from your computer. At this point, it's important to ensure that you have your logo saved in a location that's easy for you to access. Most common image formats, such as .png or .jpg, are accepted, so make sure your file matches one of these formats for a smooth upload. Once you've selected your file, you can proceed by clicking on Open to confirm your selection. This uploads the logo to your Odoo interface. If everything looks good and your file has uploaded properly, remember to click Save. This step finalizes the changes and ensures that your logo appears where it should across the interface. Not hitting Save is a common mistake, and it can result in your changes not being applied, so don't overlook this step. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your Odoo system. This small but significant adjustment not only personalizes your user interface, but can also enhance your brand recognition every time someone accesses your platform. If you have any issues seeing your new logo immediately, you might try refreshing your browser or clearing your cache to ensure the updated settings are displayed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Odoo customization.